Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I'm going to make this simple paper flower bouquet. I'm going to make the flowers first. Make 5 cm distances like this and cut. For this design, we need 3 petals for 1 flower. Fold the paper into 2 like this, and then we need to draw the petal shape. Then we can cut the petals and glue them together to make the flower. I've made 3 sets of petals in order to make 3 flowers. You can follow these steps to glue the petals to the middle petal like this, and repeat the steps for all 3 flowers. Our next step is to make the outer wrapping of the flowers. For that, I got a A4 sized paper and we need to draw and cut this shape. That's it, and then we need to cut some stem parts for the flowers, and you can arrange them as you prefer. Now we can glue the stem parts we cut and flowers we made to the paper like this. I think it's better to add some leaves as well. So I'm cutting some leaves from a green color paper and glue them like this. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in future. As the final step, we can add the greeting now. Write your greeting in a piece of paper and paste it like this. As you can see, here I have made this as a Mother's Day gift, but you can try this as a handmade gift for any kind of occasion like Teacher's Day or birthday or for your anniversary or any kind of occasion. We hope you enjoyed our video today. So like this video, comment your ideas, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel as well.